Oh my god. Oh my guru. Why guru? This is just phenomenal. When you
I'm pushing at you. That's you. That's me.
This happens to me a lot in the
This
gym.
is you.
Actually. This happens to me a lot in the gym. मैंने
That's
शीशे तो दिख
जानवर.
रहा है. मैंने शीशे तो दिख रहा है कि हो रहा है.
I'm awesome.
This is a great video, yeah. This is a great video. So, I told you, na, this is what he does throughout the day.
What?
Throughout the day, he will just continue to do this.
What? He came
And
here.
आगे पीछे यही करता पूरे दिन.
Just sit. Enjoy the show. Oh, poor thing. See, your husband is right here.
Now you know why I can't get anything done in this house.
I hope it is recording now.
Where is my husband?
We are appreciating the male beauty.
Very good.
Look at
Yeah.
this.
Oh, राधा
I'm
ना
sure
बोली.
he's out there.
राधा ना बोली.
दिखा रहे अपने डोले.
भाई का डोला 17 नहीं तो 16
We have all been there.
The estrogen.
Yeah, we have all been there with a guy who
Low-
acts like this. My
Low
God.
testosterone.
Low T men
Low T men.
who behave like a
High
bitch.
prolactin.
Absolutely.
Okay. Oh my god, my bro.
करो
This is so true.
ऐसा करो.
This is, oh my god.
करो करो करो. ऐसे नाल बहुत कुछ होएगा. भाग जाए. चलिए फिर.
There's another
चलिए फिर.
video where there's a woman.
Yeah.
You've seen a European woman who's working out with a baby.
With a baby, I know.
And यहाँ हमारे इंडिया में ये हो रहा
ये
है.
हो रहा है.
One of the best things a
Oh, no,
woman can
this
have
is-
in life is a good girl gang. There's
Very
something
true.
so healing about being around women who will sit with you through heartbreaks, career confusion.
I actually want to make a post on this because I'm just so grateful and thankful for all the women who I have in my life, and I turn to them for every small thing. I turn to them for advice, for just when I just want to talk. You don't have to really worry about what you're saying to them or the fact that you're going to be judged.
True, very important.
Yeah, and I completely agree with it. It's very important for all women to have such strong, one or two girls who are in
Especially in our 40s.
in their gang,
I'm
especially in our
so
40s.
glad we reconnected.
Oh, Benji, so
ग्वाल गए थे।
sweet, yaar. So sweet, so sweet. But this is a lovely video, and I completely agree with what she's saying. है ना?
Female friendship is therapy.
Yeah.
So is wine.
So is wine. Benji, ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ. ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੱਢਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਕੱਢਿਆ. ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਸਹੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ.
First day in the
देखो
gym.
देखो 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 do you know anybody in our gym who actually does this?
Yeah.
What is this?
Hyrox Paris.
Oh yeah, so Hyrox does these really these races in Paris at very scenic locations. It's
I somehow I can't do Hyrox. I think it's not for me.
the one day we will.
मैं
Benji.
देख के cortisol
That's
बढ़
so
गया
good.
मेरा.
क्यों?
That you have to do burpees. And
Burpees I can't. Out of everything,
can't do it.
in Hyrox I can do everything but burpees.
You go,
That-
I'll come
that
with
is-
a placard. And
That
I'll
is something.
encourage you.
You'll cheer for me then.
Yeah.
Okay.
So something.
Behind every mom exercising is a woman who probably lost herself for a little during motherhood, and I felt that. That is very true.
And also because now we know our girls are watching, right?
Yeah. No, but I mean, during motherhood, and once your child is grown up, you do feel like you've done so much. Your body's been through so much, especially when you become a mom. Um, this is this is just very motivating. I think every woman should see this.
If I was Karina Kapoor's trainer, here's what I do differently. Someone sent me this video, first time reacting to it, so let's have a look.
That's not done.
Okay, this exercise I absolutely hate. In fact,
I agree with this guy. This is an oxymoron of an exercise. It absolutely makes no sense.
Does nothing.
step up kicks. We can break this down. Again, I'm not sure what they're trying to achieve
This is
with this.
still okay.
I love the kick throughs. All right, can we work on the form? Of course.
This I agree with
Anyway,
as well.
this is a good exercise. This is
Oh my
ਇਹ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ but
This is
ਇਹ
a
ਕੀ
joke.
ਹੋ ਕੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਸਮਝ
Oh
ਨਹੀਂ
my
ਆਇਆ.
god.
I don't know what this is.
What is this exercise called? Pocha
don't
lao.
and moving sideways. If she has to, she could just do renegade rows. You know.
Renegade rows.
And definitely work
That's
on a
true.
push-up here. Not sure what the hell this is.
Yeah.
Again, here they've shown.
Okay, this is a very
This is
dangerous
dangerous,
exercise what she's
yeah.
doing because that stepper that is up, it is just supported by these very thin sort of these very fragile sticks. Can you see those?
Yeah.
And they can like come down any second.
What is this?
ਇਹ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਊਟ ਪਟਾਂਗ ਜਿਹਾ workout ਕਰਾਉਂਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ trainer
Why do they do it?
I don't know.
bunch of things that they don't need to do, and in fact they can do.
And they pay them to make them do all this?
This I agree with this guy. I completely agree with him.
If you don't want to do high rocks, that's fine. Then just don't say,
It's like all sorts of people doing high rocks. Look at this.
this is for me. I just said
Yeah.
I can't do high rocks.
Koi nahi, I will stand and you can do all of these and I'm walking with you throughout it all. Look, I mean, if these guys can do it, so can you.
God,
Never say never. Look at this.
This
is the video that you were talking
one,
about. Yeah. This is the video.
Yeah.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ
This
ਇਹ ਵਾਲੀ
is
ਵੀਡੀਓ
so
ਦਿਖਾਓ.
true.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ
Yeah.
ਆਪ ਜਨਾਨੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦਿਖਾਓ.
Oh,
ਉੱਤੇ
can
ਵਾਲੀ।
get genetics again.
ਹਾਂ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਇਹ?
Eh?
ਉਹਨੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਥੱਲੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ।
ਕਿਹੜਾ ਭਾਗ ਜਾਏਗਾ?
I can do
ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਇਹ
ਇਹ
ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ
ਦੋਵੇਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ, ਹੈ ਨਾ?
ਹਾਂ।
This is too funny, yaar. This video is
Oh
so
God, it's
hilarious.
killer.
This video is
Killer.
too funny.
Oh my god, this is so funny when I saw this.
सब ना आई थिंक बेबी के लिए बहुत सोचते हैं. बच्चा सो रहा है, बच्चा ठीक है, गिविंग माई बेबी अ बाथ, मसाजेस, द रूटीन दैट द फर्स्ट फ्यू मंथ्स ऑफ द इन्फेंट स्टेज दैट इट इज. हर मर्द को यही लग रहा होगा ना कि पर मैं तो हूँ, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मैं सब कर रहा हूँ, पर ऐसा क्या है जो मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, या what am I lacking, like what you asked me, you're right.
After childbirth, everyone checks on the baby, but very few people check on the mother. When a woman becomes a mother, she's not just bringing a child into the world. She's going through a complete physical and emotional shift. That
You know,
most
I was
people
told this when
around
I
the world
delivered.
don't really understand.
That don't worry about the baby. The baby's going to be fine. Worry about yourself. A lot of people told me. Actually, a lot of women told me this. A lot of my girlfriends told me. Look after yourself. You should feel good. Don't worry about the baby. The baby will be looked after. But I never, I guess, they're talking about postpartum depression. I am very lucky that I didn't get it. But the women who do, and a few of my friends have.
I had the worst
Really?
postpartum depression coupled with thyroid, which
Really?
went undiagnosed. I was a mess.
ਸਾਡੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ 'ਚ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਸਾਡੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ 'ਚ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, ਸਾਡੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਦੀਆਂ
ਇਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਬੜੀ ਘੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਯਾਰ।
ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਇਹ
ਇਹ ਬੜੀ ਘੈਂਟ ਹੈ।
ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਨਿਕਲ ਗਿਆ 2026 ਚੱਲਿਆ ਵਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ? 100 ਦਹਾਕੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੀਆਂ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਨਿਕਲ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਹੈ। ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਬੈਲ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ,
ਬੈਲ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ
ਸੀ।
ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਾਂ ਫੋਨ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ, ਇੰਟਰਨੈਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ। ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਾਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ? ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਫੋਨ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ? ਹੁਣ ਕਿਉਂ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਟ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ? ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਨਵੀਨੀਅੰਸ ਲਈ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਬਣਾ ਲਿਆ ਵੀ ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ, ਸਾਡੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਦੇ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਬਦਲ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ, ਨया ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੋਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲੋਗੇ ਨਾ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਓਗੇ। ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਮਾਂ ਹੀ ਜੱਬਲ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋ ਯਾਰ।
ਸੁਣ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ?
ਆਪਣੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ
ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਾਪੇ?
ਹੁਣ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੋ
ਹੁਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ।
ਹੁਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਟਾਕ ਟੂ ਅਸ ਇਨ ਦਿਸ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ।
I think they also change when they have grandkids and they want to still be relevant.
Yeah.
So with us,
No, but
it
they
was like,
still,
"हाँ,
they
हमारे
still,
ज़माने में ऐसे
yeah,
है,
but they
whatever."
still do the कि हमने तो ऐसे तुम लोगों को बड़ा कर दिया था, हमने तो ऐसे कर दिया था, तब तो कुछ नहीं हुआ था, you know. But I think one of the issues which my mom continuously raises is that, and very rightly so, is that earlier it was a lot safer also for kids. It's
And
not.
we had
it's
less
not as
distractions.
yeah. We didn't have the phone so much. We didn't have so much technology around us.
So much information
So,
at the
yeah.
tip of the fingers.
See, ਸਾਡੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ 'ਚ ਹੈ, ਸਾਡੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ 'ਚ ਉਹ.
ਸਾਡੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ 'ਚ parents ਵੀ ਫਰਕ.
Middle-aged moms are doing in the gym. एक check ਕਰਨ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ.
Beautiful boy. ਉਹ ਲੈ
ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਮ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ
ਸਾਡੇ
ਯਾਰ.
ਜਿਮ 'ਚ ਆਦਮੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ.
ਹਾਂ, ਇਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dance classes
Yeah.
ਦੇ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ.
This is crazy यार. This video was. देखो भैन जी,
And the
if
first woman to win the
look at this.
Cocodona.
Yeah. And
Wow.
she's some. How old is she?
Wow.
Ultra marathon.
It's a mind game. If you decide, you just do it.
Sub 60. Sub 60? Yeah. Yeah. 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Parents working out with their kids.
I'm going to start soon with Aziza.
Yeah, it's very important for kids to see their parents working out, so that they incorporate it into their. They think it's that you should do it.
That
You know, it's
this
part
is
of your lifestyle.
normal,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's normal. It's not like it's something. कि अलग ना तुसी कर रहे हो कुछ. You know, they need to see that you've invested in your body. You've invested in your health.
And they also,
It's very
like,
important.
for us women, I mean, I remember Aziza telling me, because I was moving furniture, lifting sofas, etc. And she said, I didn't realize that you're this strong. And now I know that you go work out and you're actually very strong. So
Two types of people this weekend: high rocks and on the rocks. Penny, which one are we?
this weekend to chala gaya Penny, but on the rocks.
We are high rocks still.
High on the rocks.
High on the rocks? No, we are high rocks from Monday to Saturday, or maybe Monday to Friday.
No, we are high on the rocks only in a follicular phase.
Yeah.
Cycle sync.
Okay.
Aa jao ji.